I'm here again with the second part of the chapter, our food. In my previous video, we discussed about food grains and where they are grown in different parts of our country. Now, in this video, we'll be mainly discussing about fruits, vegetables, pulses, spices. Now, before starting with the chapter, let us take a small recap. Read the first point. People in North India eat more wheat and rice. So, do you remember, children? I told you that wheat and rice are grown in the northern part of India, in the northern plains, where there is flat land and the land is very fertile. The second point, Jova, bajra, and wheat are popular in the state of Rajasthan. In the desert state of Rajasthan, jowar, bajra, and wheat is very popular. Rice is eaten by maximum number of people in the world. Which is the food grain which is eaten by maximum number of people in the world? It is rice. Okay. People in eastern and southern part of India eat more rice. In India, in the southern and the eastern part, rice is grown in large quantity. Okay. Now, let us move forward with fruits and vegetables. Besides food grains, Indians also eat pulses, vegetables, and fruits. Now, children, with rice, you eat dal, right? You eat your mother might be preparing a vegetable, a curry, right? Your mother might be preparing a chapati. So, we eat different types of food. So, along with food grains, we eat vegetables, fruits, and pulses. Now, pulses like arhar, moong, urad, and masoor are eaten all over the country. Now, let us see which are all these pulses. See, can you see the yellow dal over here? The first one, that is the arhar dal. The second white one is the urad dal. The third green one is moong, and the last orange one is the masoor dal. Now, children, you can ask your mother to show you all these pulses. Okay? Now, farmers in different states grow different types of fruits and vegetables. As I told you before, according to the land, climate, the crops are grown. So, the farmers they grow different types of crops according to their area, according to the regions. Okay? Many fruits and vegetables are available throughout the year. There are some fruits and vegetables which are available only in some seasons. For example, if I tell you, in fruits, banana, apple, all these fruits we get throughout the year. In the sense, we get all over the year. But there are some fruits which we are not getting all throughout the year. For example, if I tell you mangoes, watermelons, I hope you had mangoes during this summer season. We do not get mangoes all over the year. Okay, it only gets in some season, that is the summer season. Now, winter is coming. In winters, we get grapes, so chickus, all these fruits, these are called seasonal fruits. Okay, so the fruits and vegetables which we only get in some seasons are called seasonal fruits and vegetables. Okay, now some of the vegetables that are available throughout the year are potatoes, brinjal, cauliflower, onion, lady's finger, etc. So these are the vegetables which we get all throughout the year. Now, some fruits are available throughout the year such as bananas and apples. Okay? The states of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are famous for a wide variety of apples. Now, which state is famous for its apples? It is Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is famous for the best variety of mangoes. So, mangoes are famous in the state of Uttar Pradesh. If we want good mangoes, we can find in Uttar Pradesh. Nagpur in Maharashtra is famous for oranges. So, the famous oranges are found in Nagpur, which is in the state of Maharashtra. Okay? Now, apart from fruits and vegetables, some people eat non vegetarian food. Now, let us read. Meat, egg, and fish are also popular among a large section of Indians. Some people they eat only vegetarian food, which is green leafy vegetables and fruits, pulses, food grains. Some eat Including the vegetarian food, they eat non-vegetarian food, which includes meat, egg, and fish. People who eat meat, egg, and fish are called non-vegetarians. Okay, so the people who eat meat, fish, and eggs are called non vegetarians, and the people who do not eat meat, egg, and fish are called vegetarians. Okay, now those who live in the coastal areas eat a lot of fish. They like to eat fish with rice. Now, I had explained you before what is a coastal area, where the land meets with water. That area is called coastal area. So the people who live near water, they like to eat fish with rice. Okay, now many spices which make the food tasty and colorful are also grown in India. Apart from all the fruits, vegetables, and non vegetarians, we like to use spices. What does the spices do? It makes the food tasty. For taste, we add turmeric, we add chili, we add ginger, garlic, right? We add black pepper. Then, all these are what? These are ingredients which we use for taste. It includes spices also, turmeric, red chilies, then black peppers, cardamoms, cloves. All these are spices which we use for aroma, for good smell, for good color, for good taste. So these are also grown in India. The most common spices are chilies, cloves, turmeric, and pepper. I'll show you which are these spices. You can take the help of your parents also. All these spices are available at your homes also. Ask your mother to show you. Okay? See, the first one is cardamom. Okay? Elaichi if I tell you in Hindi or Gujarati. The second one is black pepper, kali mirch. Okay? The third one is cinnamon sticks. Okay? The fourth one is cloves. The fifth one is turmeric, haldi. The last one is red chilies. Okay. Now, all this we use as spices for color, taste. Okay. Now, other than that, what we use for cooking, we use oil, right? Now, let us read about oil. Oil is used for cooking food. Some of the popular oils we use in India are ghee. You know what is ghee? Amul ghee, different types of ghee are there, right? Then, mustard oil, groundnut oil, and coconut oil. These are different types of oil which we use for cooking food. Now, these are some pictures. The first one is a mustard oil. Mustard means rye. You can ask your mother to show you what is mustard. The second is groundnut oil. You know peanut? This is groundnut oil. Now, see here sunflower oil, coconut oil, olive oil, corn oil. These are all different types of oil which we use for cooking. So, now, children, I hope you enjoyed this chapter very much. This is a very easy chapter, right? Now, there's a small home assignment for you, that is to learn the definitions. Okay? Now, the first one, food grain. What is a food grain? A variety of grains grown for human food. Okay? Different types of grains which is grown for whom? For us humans, for food. Okay? The second one is vegetarian. Who is a vegetarian? A person who does not eat meat or fish. The one who eats only uh, green leafy vegetables, fruits, other than meat or fish, whatever the person eats is a vegetarian. Okay? And the third one, non vegetarians. Who is a non vegetarian person? A person who eats meat, fish, and egg. The person who eats everything, including vegetables, fruits, pulses, food grains, he eats meat, fish, and egg also. Such a person is known as non vegetarian. I hope you all understood the chapter. Stay home, stay safe, enjoy learning. Thank you.